Today is the 49th anniversary of Medicare and Medicaid, and together, those programs are keeping Americans healthy, providing long-term services, and preventing medical bankruptcies.
We believe in Medicare. We believe in Medicaid. And we're ready to fight for these programs to ensure they continue for 49 more years, for 49 more years after that, 49 more years after that.
Thank you very much for being here. Hands off, no cuts to Medicare, Social Security, and Medicaid. The third point that President Lyndon Johnson made when he signed the bill is no longer will young families see their own incomes and their own hopes eaten away simply because they are carrying out their deep moral obligation to their parents. So this isn't just about seniors and people with disabilities. This is about families in America.
Let's celebrate today, but let's understand, for the young people wearing those t-shirts today who get it, let us fight to make sure everyone keeps their hands off of our Social Security, our Medicaid, and our Medicare. Thank you very much.
Without Medicare and this excellent full-time, unpaid caregiver, I wouldn't be here today.
Medicare gave me peace of mind, knowing that a medical disaster would not wipe you out spiritually, financially, and every other way.
And we literally, if you look at the statistics, those who are over 65 now live longer because of Medicare. It is a complete success.
Make no mistake about it, there has been an attack on Medicare and Social Security with the Ryan budget, but it's more than just at the federal level as well. And that's why it's important for each and every one of you to continue to fight to preserve Social Security and Medicare.
Medicare is not just about numbers. It's about people. It's about people, the people that have spoken, and millions more like them. The stars in the video are National Committee members.
No, they're not actors, right?
They are not actors. They're real people.
We can't afford not to have Medicare because it's pay now or pay later.
As you get older, you sort of run out of runway, and you just, if you get sick, it could be a disaster.
There's a couple of prescriptions that run pretty close to like $300 for 30 days. That's like $10 a pill.
I think the best part of Medicare is the freedom it gives you. Freedom from fear.
We're all just one diagnosis, one tragic, circumstance from needing help.
Everyone deserves health care.
Seniors are not living high on the hog.
The Medicare, of course, makes all the difference in the world.
Without the coverage, most people in retirement can't afford it.
If it wasn't for this now, what would I do? I'm an old man, here I am, 80 years old.
I don't know with today's economy, especially how people could even survive without those programs. And in fact, I'm counting on them.
I had 3 surgeries. Everything came out very well. I'm happy to have Medicare because otherwise I probably could not afford the cost of the surgery without Medicare.
I went into the hospital in and out, and the procedure cost about $9,000, and I had no out-of-pocket expenses I had to pay, and everything was covered by Medicare.
This medical condition has taken part of my life, my job, and my marriage. If there were to be a cut in Medicare budget, it would take my life.
I'm not sure exactly what to say. I'm a scientist. I look at numbers, but she is not a number.
I am 74 years old, and I love Medicare. Without Medicare, I don't know what I was going to do.
Please don't touch my Medicare. Don't cut it.
because I don't know what I would do without it.
We wholeheartedly support Medicare and Social Security for the benefits they provided for us in our lives. And furthermore, we'd like to see the programs, both of which should be enhanced.
Well, I still have a year almost left to go before I'm eligible for Medicare. I'm counting on it being there for me.
I like my Medicare, so please do not cut it because it's good to me.